Now, on the topic of hyperemesis, we've been getting a lot of questions from expecting mothers on the treatment. Common question that we always get is that, can we confirm that hyperemesis is actually a genetic condition, which means is it actually an inherited condition? Is it a condition that is actually passed down from generation to generation? Now, we cannot actually confirm this to be true because there is much more research work to be done in this field, especially in the case of hyperemesis. Hyperemesis is considered a very rare condition, and it's still relatively unknown disease. A lot of things that we are still don't fully understand about this condition because it is quite complex, and it requires a global effort to actually overcome this condition. Although Antai Hospital, we actually have the effective treatment of this condition, but we still do not understand fully the nature of this condition. Now, looking at our data of past patients of hyperemesis, we can assume that it actually is a genetic condition. There is a inheritance component in this disease. Now, why do we say that? Because only 1 to 2% of pregnant women actually experience hyperemesis. 99% of women do not experience this severe condition. And also, when we look at our clinical data, when we do some questioning with our patients, we know that sometimes, in many cases, when a patient has hyperemesis, her mother also has a history of hyperemesis, or maybe her grandmother has a history of hyperemesis. Now, we can clearly see that there is a genetic link here, but we cannot say for sure. But logically, looking at the problem, we do assume that there is a genetic component that is causing this hyperemesis to be inherited from one generation to generation. And then also how some women develop this and some women do not develop this. We know that hyperemesis is actually caused by the oversensitization to HCG, but HCG is in fact an ever-present hormone during pregnancy. It is a very important hormone to sustain the pregnancy. There is much research work that is required to actually confirm and prove this.